In FP&A, you know what you want to build. It's figuring out how to do it in the tool that slows you down. That's where Drive AI comes in. It works as an on-demand help desk built directly into Drivetrain, so you can get guidance exactly when you need it without leaving your workflow. Let's say I'm working on a report and need to explain variances to leadership. I can ask, how do I create a variance waterfall chart? Drive AI interprets the request and queries the Product Guide Assistant agent, which then walks me through the steps, where to click, which options to select, and what to check, all tailored to how Drivetrain actually works. And if I want more detail, it links me directly to the relevant section within the product documentation. Now let's say I have a completely different question. I can start a new chat and ask, how do I add a NetSuite connector? Again, Drive AI gives me the right setup steps and points me to the exact guide I need without me leaving the product. And because chat history is saved with context, I can come back to these answers later and continue where I left off. For example, by returning to an earlier chat and asking, how do I change the colors to match my company's branding? Instead of stopping your work to search for answers, help comes to you, in context and at the moment you need it. That's the documentation agent and Drive AI, built into Drivetrain. Faster answers, fewer interruptions, and less guesswork.